the admit and post-operative power plans on the patient chart allows the surgeons to be efficient, which makes healthcare easier so life can be better. I am accessing the power plan from the Quick Orders M page. As you can see, I've saved some power plans in my favorites for efficient ordering. Select your power plan, click on Orders for Signature, associate your diagnosis, and sign. The Add Plan window defaults to Order Now for the admit and post-operative phases. Clicking OK, make selections in your plan as desired. As you can see on the left, the orders are in an initiated pending status as they will stay until we sign the orders. When clicking Orders for Signature, the VTE prophylaxis fires appropriately. We address the alert for this patient, selecting Post-Op Orders, making your selections, and clicking Done. You can see at the top that we are placing orders, and then we click Sign, and we are returned to our Quick Orders page. Clicking on New Order Entry takes us to the scratch pad where we can see that our orders are processing. With the refresh of the screen, they are now in the initiated status.